What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make money online super fast. So this is pretty much like a shortcut method for all the people who don't want to build something or create something, along those lines. So if you just want to just make money damn near like instantly, what you need to do is buy something that's already working, buy something that's already making money, already getting a lot of traffic, or already getting sales or conversions or whatever it is that you're looking for. You have to buy something that's already working, right? For the most part. Like, true, you can buy something that's, let's say, like you just like buy a little regular website and then you can send traffic to it to get results. But if you want something like where you want to see results like today, like literally after you make purchase, like you want to like start seeing results coming in, you have to buy, again, something that's already making money. And the best way to do that is to get a YouTube channel, an Instagram channel, or you can always jump over on Flippa, and buy a website from there. But I already got a whole video on that, so I'm just going to mainly focus on buying YouTube channels and Instagram channels. Now, again, like I said before, guys, do not jump into this method if you don't know what you're doing, because odds are you are going to get scammed, okay? So you got to really know what you're doing when it comes to this stuff here. If you're a TeamDeAngelo member, just go into the small business part. There's a whole set of new videos in there I just put up on this whole method right here. But what you need to do is, again, do research. Like, this isn't something you just want to go and just randomly jump into, right? You need to do research when it comes to these channels and stuff like that. But basically, let's say you got you find a nice, decent channel or an Instagram account. Let's take this one right here, for example. Let's say this one is 100% real. Everything's all golden, and they only want $220 for it. You think that you can't make, $220 back from 70,000 people, right? So all you would have to do is open up a WordPress store, a BuilderX store, or a Shopify store, or something along those lines, right? And then you could just make posts. Like every other day you can do a post, or every day you could do a sponsored post or something along those lines, but just keep up the content. But you don't want to keep, like, basically you want to take the business and then keep the business going, right? You don't want to buy this here and then literally just start promoting shit every single day, like complete, like you're trying to sell them a dog brush a day, a cat brush every 5 minutes. Like, you don't post any other pictures or any dogs or any cats or whatever the Instagram page is all about, what those people are actually there for. Then you're going to start losing a lot of people, right? So you can go through, check all of the accounts out and stuff like that. Personally, I like to go like one-on-one and find people. Or trying like to find the message boards and stuff. You can always come over here as well and check this out. But obviously talk to each person before purchasing anything. You don't want to just go and just send them money or something like that, because like I said before, there could be a lot of problems with the account. So let's say like this account here, right? 70,000 views, right? I mean 70,000 for the followers, right? Let's say that's 50,000 of them that's fake though, and then only 20,000 of them are real. So then it's like, no, why would you spend 220 for only 20,000 people? You can get a much better deal if you can prove that that's fake. Let's say out of nowhere they get like 10,000 followers in one day for no reason whatsoever. Then the next day like 90% of them drop, and it just keep doing it over and over. Like, you didn't even know there's a red flag there. I was buying this YouTube channel. Well, I was about to buy this channel from this guy earlier today that had 18,000 followers for it or whatever. And then like basically I went and did my research on the channel, found out all the shit was fake, and then he's like, that was kind of it. So you're gonna have a lot of people that's gonna try to scam you out your money when it comes to this stuff here. You just gotta really, again, know what you're doing. Not to mention you gotta go by niches as well. So let's say you're in a making money online niche, right? And you got 20,000 people that are serious about making money online. And then you go to a channel that got like 200,000 followers, and they're just like watching fight videos and like, everyday regular ass people stuff. You might have to pay way more money for the for the making money online niche versus the fight one. Because on the making money online, like, shit, you only need a couple, not even a couple thousand people to make $1,000 a month in the making money online niche, right? So, over here in this space, like, you just got a bunch of regular ass everyday people. Like, they're not there to make money. There really isn't any value on the channel, right? It's just solely for entertainment. Now, don't get me wrong, you can make money with it and stuff. You can still get sponsors and a bunch of stuff like that. But you know, just a whole bunch of stuff that goes into this. If I really try to break down everything, I would just be re-saying everything I said in the training now. But yeah, guys, this is a very simple way. If you really want to make some money like super fast, this is the best way to go to buy something that's already making money or already getting lots of traffic. If you buy one of these little channels here or whatever, always make sure that it's not in a niche or not based around like someone. I guess I can't really say that, but like basically make sure that you can continue it. Let's say like for a TeamDeAngelo example, right? Let's say someone came and bought the TeamDeAngelo YouTube channel, right? A lot of followers will drop because they hear for me or whatever, right? So you want to basically go into it with where somewhere that you can basically just take over without really drawing too much attention. You know, like, so let's say like they're doing like cartoon videos or something like that, or AMVs, and then they give you the person who actually makes the videos, and then all you got to do is make a script or hire someone to make the script or whatever, right? Done. All you got to do is simply just take over, and everything is still going to be the exact same, right? So just make sure you keep that stuff in mind, guys. Like I said, just a bunch of stuff that goes into this, even though it's a super simple method. But basically, all you do is you buy a YouTube channel or an Instagram, and then you basically just send out your content on a daily basis or whenever that person was normally uploading, and then you just continue, and then you would just make sales and conversions and everything along those lines. You know, if you buy a channel that's already getting like however many, let's say it's getting like 500,000 views every single month organically from all the other videos, you can go through and edit each video that they have and put in CPA offer links or ClickBank links or any of that, put it right in the description, and then you can still make $1,000 every month off of that. You know, a lot of these people here, you know, with the real ones or whatever that are selling their channel, they just don't know how to monetize it, right? Like, so they'll like go into this thinking they can only make money with Google AdSense or something like that. And, you know, that's like super low. It's decent passive money, you know, obviously, but like you can make way more money just in the description. Like one person in the description can make you more money than shit. However many people that click on a link in the ad video, I mean, in the description of your ad or whatever. I mean, in the you guys know what I'm saying, in the ad or whatever. But that is pretty much it. If you got any questions, if you drop them down below. If you're a TeamDeAngelo member, definitely make sure you go do that training. I also would recommend having at least it really just depends. So I guess I can't really give you an estimate, but I would say at least $150 to $200 if you're trying to play around with something small. But that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.